In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pencil tool in PDFs using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's dive right in and explore this handy feature that allows you to annotate and personalize your PDF documents effortlessly. First, we need to open your PDF. Begin by launching Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer. Once it's up and running, locate the PDF document you intend to work on and open it. This is the canvas on which you'll be making your freehand drawings. Now let's access the tools we need. At the top of your screen, you'll find the menu options. Hover over to Tools and click on Comment. Doing this will open up the commenting toolbar, which is packed with all of the annotation tools you'll need, including our focus of the day, the pencil tool. In the comment toolbar, you should see an icon resembling a pencil. This is the Draw Freehand tool. It might look like a wiggly line, which sometimes throws people off, but that's the one you need. If you can't directly spot the icon, no worries. Simply click on the three dots at the end of the toolbar to explore more options, select Drawing Tools, and you'll find Draw Freeform's pencil there. It's easy once you get the hang of it. With the pencil tool in hand, it's time to draw on your PDF. Click and drag using your mouse or stylus across the document to create freehand markings or notes. As you sketch, you'll notice the lines appearing as annotations, almost as if you were drawing directly on a piece of paper. If you feel like changing the aesthetics of your drawing, you can customize it easily. Right-click on your drawing and choose Properties. This opens a window where you can adjust the color, tweak the opacity, or alter the line thickness to suit your preferences. And there's a neat trick here. If you want to apply these settings every time you use the tool in the future, just check the box that says Make Properties Default. Once you're happy with your drawings and annotations, it's important to save your work. Navigate to File and select Save. This action will make sure that all the pencil drawings you've added remain part of the PDF document, ready for you or others to view whenever needed. For those who enjoy shortcuts, here's a quick tip. To open the Properties bar and swiftly change your pen settings while drawing, press Ctrl+E on a Windows computer or CMD+E if you're using a Mac. It's a nifty trick that can save you time and keep your workflow smooth. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to using the pencil tool in Adobe Acrobat Pro, which can be quite powerful for personalizing and annotating PDFs. Happy drawing, and see you in the next video.